checking in with Aimee Bird after the Sea Lions' heartbreaking 3-1 loss to Concordia tonight. Aimee, what do you have to say?
You know, Concordia is a good team, and last time we played them, it was pretty bad, but we really stepped up tonight, and I really thought, you know, all of our girls played well. Maddie Doms teared it up out there, really proud of her, and just everybody. Defense was awesome, and you know, it's a tough loss. They're a good team, and we'll see them at Nationals when it counts.
Absolutely, and I mean, even though you guys lost, you seem to play together as a team more than sometimes you played even in victories. So is your coach happy with your performance tonight?
Definitely. Again, it's a tough loss, but there's just so much improvement that happened tonight, and we're just going to take it into our Saturday's game and use it there.
Thank you so much.